To create magenta, you primarily mix red and blue, specifically using hues like cobalt blue and cadmium red, or ultramarine blue and crimson lake for best results. If you're short on time, mixing shades like purple and red or pink and purple together can also yield magenta. Start with a 50-50 ratio of red and blue, gently blending them on your palette, being cautious with strong blues as they can overpower the red. You can adjust the hue by adding more red for a maroon or fuchsia shade, or more blue to lean towards violet. To darken magenta, incorporate a small amount of black or dark green, and to lighten it, add titanium white or yellow, though yellow will warm the hue. Permanent rose is a good alternative that can be adjusted to resemble magenta, while quinacridone violet mixed with red offers a close substitute. Experimentation with colors and ratios is key to achieving the perfect magenta for your artistic projects.